Hi all. In this video, you will learn how to use the filter formula, how to choose which columns you want to fill, and in what order you desire it to be. And you will also learn how to sort the filter data in the order you want. So stay tuned. Now we start with the filter formula. Now imagine a scenario where we want to extract the data as such, all the profits are greater than 10,000. So for this scenario, we would include, you start with the filter formula, and the first criteria for the filter formula is the array. We select the array, then remember we want to include profits over 10,000. We select the profit column and we say greater sign and select 10,000. And that's how you do it. And as you can see, it doesn't come with headers, so you have to manually add your headers later on. Now, we will adjust the formula so that the filter will retrieve only particular columns we want and in a particular order. I will show you just that. The first thing we need to do is to see what column headers we want and in what order. So in this instance, I'll say I want the manager here, then I want the product, then I want the target, then I want the revenue, which is here already. Then I want the variance, and then I want the profits already here, and I don't care about the rest. Then I will use the index formula to be able to get what column numbers I need. So we already got our array, and now for the row number, I will start with sequence formula. The reason why I'm using sequence formula is because sequence formula fills the rows in the sequence. So for example, if with the formula sequence 10, it is fill number 1 to 10. And so using a sequence formula will allow me to dynamically spill how many rows I want. The sequence formula's first syntax is rows. Now, as I mentioned, if I had put number 10 there, it will spell number 1 to 10. But in my scenario, I want the number of rows to be equal to my filtered spill array. So, for example, and I need it to be dynamic. If I had to do rows and if I had to select if I had to select the profit column over here or any other column, it would spell 11 rows, but I needed to match the spill array because if it doesn't match the spill array, if for example I had to select this whole profit column, it would then have a lot of NA errors below my filter. So since I have to match my filter array, I will just copy the filter formula here and I will paste it here. And then I will just close the brackets. And now for the column number, we will use the match formula to find the position of the columns. The lookup value will be the whole array. The lookup array would be the whole original data array, match type, exact match, and then we close our brackets. There you go. We now have our spill data match our column headers. But what if we want to take it another step? What if we want to sort by the profit element over here? To do that, we will use the sort formula. The sort formula, the first thing we need to do is put the array, but the array is already done by the R index filter formula over here. So then all we need to do is select the sort index. So in this case, I want to sort by profits. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be column number 6, and I want to sort by descending order because I want the highest first. And then all I have to do is close the bracket. I'll sort by descending order. So this covers the filter formula in detail. For more tips and tricks, please give me a follow and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.